Welcome to the basic block challenge. What was it? Okay, do it again. Welcome to the basic block challenge, house number 6. It's the half-timbered house. I transformed this block in this. It's amazing. Let's see how that went.
Well, good morning guys, it's Sunday morning. It's partially cloudy, partially sunny. It's still very early. Yesterday I finished the final layout of the half-timbered house. So now I will start actually cutting out windows, doors, and then texturing it. But let me show you. As you can see, this is the basic shape. I flipped the block. I mean, most of the buildings now have the stairway on the left side of the house, but if you flip the block, if you flip the whole basic shape, it's on the right side of the house. So I think I'm entitled to do that. So basic, the ground floor, this little corner is also part of that basic block. There we go. Nope, that's not good. I need this one. Some parts will be glued together, like these will be glued together along with this stairway and along with this. So now, as you can see, this is the second floor. We have a strange chimney, but also an oven. Then we have the floor over here. This is a very, very nice shape. I like it very much. Here we have the roof. And finally, to top it off. Oh, and if I turn it around, we still get a chimney somewhere over here, I think. We'll have to see. So this is the basic shape so far. Imagine it will all be beam structures and plaster, but also stone. So I can already see there's a lot going on in this project. Looking at these half-timbered houses, mostly I see them in Germany. I see them a lot in Germany, and yeah, to be honest, they always have more or less a very flat facade that is high. So I was aiming for that. You could say that this is also a basic block. Here we have a very shallow roof with a few angled elements, but I added a larger block. It's not like I must stick 100% to the original shape. It's a starting point for every house I am making. So here you go. Let's see where this goes. Well guys, as you can see, I started texturing the outside of the half-timbered house. Choose to use mainly the windows in this basic set, although I used other doors. There are a lot of different window sizes. I like that a lot, so I will do a lot of windows in this build. Half-timbered house, so this means the base, the lower parts will be visible bricks, and I like to play around with the elevation of these bricks, lower, higher, even higher, up until here. But above that it will be wood and plaster areas. These areas are slightly pressed in to give a little bit more depth to the project. Upwards plaster wood on the front, on this side, and on this side, but I think only visible at the right side of the chimney. On the left side and the rear, I think about not adding plaster at all. If you look at these old houses that they have these beautiful plastered facades, but if you look at the rear, they didn't bother plaster them because that wasn't visible to the public. So I think about doing that. Furthermore, this is the floor of the first floor with the stairway to the second floor. The thickness of this sheet is actually the beam, so once it's textured you will not see that at all. And for the rear, I started texturing doing this piece, the test for the smaller bricks, which I like very much. They are still a bit bigger than the bricks we have here, but no, it doesn't bother me. It looks very nice, so I'm very pleased with it. So yeah, I think I will proceed.